All right, this one is from Eduardo. And this question is, how does Upwork compare to other freelancing platforms? Right. Well, so Upwork is like I was just saying in another video, that it's basically a love baby between Elance and Odesk. And I was using Odesk for a really long time and I loved it. And I'd say Upwork is almost the same thing as Odesk. Elance kind of shifted over to Upwork. But as far as I'm concerned, I think it's the top dog. I think it's amazing. I think it's a beautiful platform that has just enriched the lives of so many individual freelancers and has also just helped countless amount of businesses find the right talent, get work done, and it's just awesome. I think Fiverr is also a good platform to use, and in the past I've used that platform and I've spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on there purchasing different gigs and getting work done. But as for me as a freelancer, I find that Upwork is just second to none in terms of like being able to bill hourly or have bigger projects or create like better relationships. And for me, that's more important than just having like a gig here and there. That's just not really my bread and butter. So I just find that Upwork has a lot more allowances, and it's more like a marketplace of just work and products and everything. And I just really dig it. They just also launched product catalog, which is essentially like Fiverr. So all of the reasons why I did like Fiverr are now finally available for Upwork. And this is just like super rad because now you can have defined scopes of projects and put that on the catalog, and you can also have that go right into your typical time contracts and things like that. So it's a nice arc. I'm glad they added it, and I find very little reason to even use Fiverr at this point. So yeah, I think Upwork is top dog. So whether you're buying, freelancers or working with freelancers, or you want to be a freelancer yourself, I think it's the best avenue for you. Cool. I can talk all day on this, Eduardo. I'm like the biggest fanboy of Upwork. So, obviously I'm biased, but, look around, maybe check out some of the other stuff I've said or written, and do your, it's to each his own, really. But those two platforms, I'd say, you're not gonna lose on those two, because there's just so much work coming down the pipe. Like I said, it's demand driven and supply driven, and on both these there's a lot of businesses that are spending a lot of money for different work. So I think that you're gonna be fine in either of those directions. So thanks, Eduardo. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.